FIR has now been registered against JDU leader Lalan Singh. The same has been posted on social media handle X. We learned that this is an FIR that has been filed against the JDU leader Lalan Singh. After investigation, an FIR has been filed in the case against Lalan Singh under relevant sections of the Indian Civil Defence Code and the Representation of the People's Act. More details are awaited on what is the case against which the JDU leader has been slapped with an FIR. But this is an FIR that has been registered against Union Minister Lalan Singh. Prakash is joining us on the phone line. Prakash, please share more details on what cases has an FIR been registered against the JDU leader.
Well, the District Administration of Patna has registered an FIR against Lalan Singh for apparently violating the Model Code of Conduct, and he was addressing a group of people in Mokama yesterday. He was addressing a group of people in Mokama yesterday, and in the meantime, he said that a certain group of people or a politician should not be allowed to create any problem. And off the record, what we have got to know that he was referring to RJD MLC Kartik Master, who was with Anand Singh, a supporter of Anand Singh, but he's fallen out and he's sticking it with RJD leader. So apparently he was referring to Kartik Master, who is a sitting MLC of the RJD. If he creates any nuisance, then he should not be allowed to create that nuisance. But nevertheless, the Election Commission has taken cognizance of the entire situation, and the District Administration of Patna has lodged an FIR against Union Minister Rajiv Ranjan Singh alias Lalan Singh for violating the Model Code of Conduct. Back to you.
Right, Prakash. Stay with me because, like you were telling us, this was a controversial comment that was issued by the Union Minister himself yesterday in Mokama, where he was seen and heard threatening the RJD leader. What are the implications that this could have on the NDA and the BJP as far as the elections are concerned? Prakash.
This will not have any political impact. In fact, this will, if you understand the political dynamics of that area in Mokama, and around there are voting capacity of 1 lakh voters of Bhumiyars, and it's Bhumiyars versus Yadavs, and then the consolidation of the Bhumiyar voters will take place in support of the NDA. And that is why the RJD had fielded in a Bhumiyar candidate called Suraj Bhan Singh, and he will not be able to get any. So in a way, it is advantage for Anand Singh also, if
right.
I understand the political dynamics of that area.
Right, Prakash. Prakash, thank you very much for getting us those details. In fact, let's now also listen in to the controversial comment that Lalan Singh had made.
चुनाव के दिन उनका घर से निकले मर्जी हो, उनका घर में आप बहुत अगर हाथ जोड़ कहियो कि तू चला हमनी के साथ अपन वोट गिरावा हवा के घर में आज से सब लोग कमान संभाल और कमान संभाल के चुनाव में अब समय दें। एक आदमी नेता है तो चुनाव के दिन उनका घर से निकले मत ही हो।